Available now from Lencrow, the EPT-12EZ is the first in a new range of lithium-powered pallet jacks that can provide both productivity and safety in any workplace. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Thanks to its novel design and lightweight lithium-ion battery pack, the EPT-12EZ weighs only 120 kilos and is no bigger than a normal hand pallet jack. And it will run for 3.5 hours from a single fast charge. Yet, it can handle loads up to 1.2 tonnes with ease. And its easy to operate powered lift and drive systems mean that you don't need to be a bodybuilder to use it. With powered braking and a tiny turning circle that allows it to be used in small stock rooms or in the back of a truck, the EPT-12EZ is at home in everything from transport logistics to retail applications. And it's priced to be very affordable even for smaller operators. To find out more from Lencrow Materials Handling on 1300 536 276 or go to lencrowforklifts.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.